Hey guys, my name's Jack with The Blind Broker. Do you have a sliding glass door that you've been trying to cover for some time? Let me show you a couple options we got back here in the showroom. This first option I'm going to show you is what we call a vertical blind. A lot of people know what this looks like. It's a pretty simple product. We've got lots of different options, but you can get lots of different looks with these vertical blinds here. A much more modern look to these is what I call a sliding panel back over this way. This product is on a track and will slide all the way across to cover your entire window space here. And then of course we'll slide all the way back to stack very comfortably and neatly on the side of the window. Both of these two options that I showed you leave a vertical material laying in your window, which is why I'd love to show you our last option over here with a roller shade. This product right here is lovely because we can just pull it straight up all the way to the top of the window, giving you your entire window back open. There's lots of different fabric options that we have with these. Of course, you can have sheer as much as light filtering so you get full privacy, and even blackout for whatever your privacy needs may be. Whatever solution you're looking for, we've got an option here at The Blind Broker.